a lot of agreement. Okay, another comment from.
My name is Frank Gonzaga. I'm from the Home Guarantee Corporation. As a rejoinder to what has been asked a while ago, HGC, under the new leadership of the Vice President, is now looking at its charter to provide guarantee as well at other support facilities that may support the housing sector. Now, as another question that I would like to pose is that I think we could factor in, or right now, how maybe what we can think of is how we can factor in the guarantee component into the credit evaluation. So that during the formulation of credit policies, the guarantee component may be assigned a value in determining if a loan may be approved. I was in discussion with a bank this morning, and I told them that maybe we can look into adding the guarantee component by, say, for example, if the credit score is around 40, that the required credit score is 40, and the score that the borrower has gotten is lower than that, like, say, for example, 38, maybe the guarantee component can be added to fill in the remaining 2 for that borrower to be able to borrow a relatively decent housing, a decent house. So that's what we're looking at. But to answer the question that the Home Guarantee Corporation is not doing its core function, yes, probably there was confusion in the past, and probably the core functionality of the Home Guarantee Corporation may have been waylaid because it has the function of also disposing its assets as well as guaranteeing. But right now, under the new leadership of the Vice President, we're slowly relooking at the policies and the procedures and our strategies in order to help the low-income segment of the society. Thank you very much.
Okay. Good points. Here's somebody asked about best practices. At least a good practice that we've come into contact with Home Loan Guarantee Corp of South Africa. Non-profit, moving towards financial sustainability. What they do is, so the banks will only lend in certain areas if there is a guarantee, and they provided the insurance. They were getting wiped out. There were so many claims that they were getting wiped out, and so what they did was provide the guarantee and technical assistance for the borrowers, and figured out in these communities exactly what the cause of the defaults were. In South Africa, as it turns out, a lot of it was AIDS related and people then not being able to work. So they just set up a system whereby people could get their medications and they would stay healthy for longer, and they would repay their loans. And so they got into the community and just figured out what's the core reason for these defaults. And then their business was just fine as a guarantee corporation. That's just one example.